Hi, I'm Sarah from Heirloom Creations, and we are introducing the new Anita Goodesign Mariner's Compass Embroidery Collection. Can you believe that you can actually do all these blocks on your embroidery machine? The brand new CD that is coming out in multiple formats. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take you through the process of how you actually make one of the blocks. We're going to actually make this block that I'm showing here. We're going to speed this up, so this will take a very short time to walk you through. Each block actually has a piece of batting in place. So when you do finish it, all the batting has actually already been stitched in and machine quilted. You're going to notice that a lot of this is done as an applique, just laying the fabric down in position, exactly where the machine told you to put it by its previous stitching, and then clipping it down to the outside edge. Now notice on that top and on the left side, there is seam allowance, extra fabric left. So as we stitch these quadrants together, we have enough fabric to do just that. It's stitching down the next section, and then we place the fabric over it again. It's really quite easy. We're using some applique scissors to help with the clipping of those smaller areas. And then once it starts to stitch, it's going to stitch with a satin stitch. That's going to really help contain all those raw edges. So if you're not exactly precise in your clipping, no problem. It's very easy. The machine is really going to be set up to go all the way around it again. Now it's going to do a little bit of extra quilting in this area, which is absolutely amazing as it starts to work with the precision of the points next. Once again, stitching a line so you can see where to put your fabric, but you're going to notice next there's another piece that's going to be laid right side down on top of it with a single line and a flipped over action, kind of like paper piecing. So then it looks like you've actually seamed those edges together, but you haven't. The embroidery machine has really just done it for you. And then it'll finish off once again with the satin stitch outline around each of the raw edges. So it's really amazing. This collection is available in multi-formats for all machines. It has 4 different sizes, so depending on what size of hoop you actually have, you can do it on your machine. Now, what we're going to see next is, once again, the satin stitch. There's so many different elements of this Mariner's Compass that comes with the CD from all sorts of different parts, pieces, borders. You're actually going to have 15 compass designs, 10 curved in designs that you can work with different patterns, and 40 different blocks that you can help for finishing your actual quilts. There's lots of different variations that you can do. Now you can see that I've actually made sure to leave extra fabric once again on that right side, so I have seam allowances when I go to stitch each of the blocks together. We're almost done, can you believe it? As it's stitching each piece, once again, just easily trimming it away, and as it needs for the satin stitching all the way down. Don't you just wish your embroidery machine would sew this fast? It's kind of fun to watch it do it here. Okay, one more pieced placement, right side down, flip it over, stitch it down, and then trim the extra away. And then let it finish out. Isn't that amazing? You can order these designs through Heirloom Creations or on our website at heirloomcreations.net. Check out our blog as we've written up a lot of the different options that you can do once you have a variety of blocks stitched out.